Hello everyone, this quick video is about how to enable show more option by default in Windows 11 when you right click on your desktop. So we can try the first method in Windows Registry. To do that, press Window key and R on your keyboard, and then you will see this run window pop up. Just type in there regedit and then just click OK. Once you got the registry editor open, then expand the current user. On the current user, select software, then classes, and then you need to scroll down until you see a folder called CLSID, this one in here. Right click on the folder and go to new and then key. Then you need to rename this folder. Just right click on it and click on rename and paste this one in here. This key will be in the description for you to copy and paste it in here. So after this one, then we need to create another sub key. So to do that, just right click on this folder again that you just created, and then do the same thing. Go to new and click on key, and then just paste this key in here. All these keys will be in the description for you. Once you created these two folders, then double click on default and check to see on the value data is empty. And after that, just click OK and restart your computer. Then check to see when you right click on your desktop, all the options are there. If not, try the next method by using the command prompt. So to open the command prompt, just go to search and type CMD. And then right click on command prompt and run it as administrator. Then the command that you need to type, it will be in the description. So just copy and paste it in the command prompt. As you can see, it says the operation completed successfully. Now restart your computer and check to see if the menu now showing all the options by default. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.